वाटर साउंड, आप अगर वाटर में देखते हैं कि उसमें अगर आपने पत्थर डाला है तो कोई स्टिक्स डाल दी तो उसका साउंड कैसे आता है, स्प्लैश. ओके. एंड टावर्ड मीन्स राइज, TOWERED, टावर्ड मीन्स राइज. टॉपलिंग मीन्स कीप फॉलोइंग. ओके, वो होमवर्क उसका पीछा करते ही रहता है. राइट. नाउ सी हियर रिलेटेड टू दिस पोएम, very important point is that conjunctions. Okay, that we will discuss now. Grammar part. Conjunction, CONJUNCTION, conjunction. Okay, so first I would like to tell you that what are conjunctions in English. See, words such as and, so, because, it, and, if, thou, while, that join two words or sentences are called conjunctions. Conjunctions means जो words two sentences और two words को join करते हैं, they are called conjunctions in English. Okay, so these conjunctions आपको next year भी है, उसके next year भी है, 6 में भी है, 7 में भी है. That's why you should practice for the conjunctions. Okay, now we will see the examples of conjunctions. I will give example. You have very simple exercise. You have to just identify which conjunction is correct. Okay, so first example I will write on the board. First example, two options are given, if and thou, THOUGH. Okay, if thou, you work hard. It is very simple, maybe you have listened this sentence also. You will do well, you will do well. See, this is a first sentence, and in this first sentence we have to identify which conjunction is correct here. Two options are given, if and thou. I am sure that you have listened this sentence previous also. Okay, this is a general sentence. Fill in the blanks, you work hard, you work hard, you will do well. Okay, now see which option will correct here, if. So I will circle this if. If you work hard, you will do well. आपके पेरेंट्स भी कहते हैं, आपको टीचर्स भी बोलते हैं, अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करोगे देन यू विल गेट अ सक्सेस. ओके, if you work hard you will do well. So which conjunction is correct here, if. Okay, now second number example I will write. Shyam is smart, SHYAM. Shyam is smart. Two options are given, so, but. So and but. His sister is smarter. His sister is smarter. Now see second number sentence. Shyam is smart, fill in the blanks, his sister is smarter. So which option will come here? Two options are given, so and but. So which option will come here? But. Second number, which option correct? But. So I will circle but. Shyam is smart but his sister is smarter. Okay, now third number I will write on the board. Third number sentence, Rana played the guitar. Third example I will write, Rana played the guitar, GUITAR. You all know guitar, one of the music instrument. Two options are given, because and one more option, while. These two options are given. Jyoti sang a song, JYOTI. Jyoti sang a song. Now see here, third sentence I will read again. Rana played the guitar, fill in the blanks, Jyoti sang a song. Two options are given, two conjunctions, because and while. Okay, so which option is correct here? While. Okay, which option is correct? While. So I will circle this, while. I will tick also. Now complete sentence I will read. See, Rana played the guitar while Jyoti sang a song. So this is a correct option here, correct conjunction. Now next, 4-number sentence. 4-number example I will write on the board, and you have to give me response for the 4-number. I would like some milk. I would like some milk. I would like some milk. Two options are given, and before. A sandwich. SANDWICH. See, sentence I will read. 4-number. I would like some milk. Fill in the blanks. A sandwich. Two conjunctions are given. First and di, or second number option di, before. Now which conjunction will come here? You tell me in the chat box. I am waiting for your response. 4-number, you have to tell me which option is correct. Options are given in the bracket. Okay, Roshan Rajput correct answer. Dhanashri Rajput also correct. Very good. Any other students? It is very simple. Okay. Dhanashri Rajput and Roshan Rajput correct answer. और कोई देगा आंसर? I would like some milk. Fill in the blanks. A sandwich. Any other students? Tell me. Type your response in the chat box. Any other students? Okay. And is a correct option here. I would like some milk and a sandwich. हम कहते हैं ना and a butter and a sandwich. So and is the correct option is here. Right? Now last 5-number I will write one more example. I will rub this 3rd-number and I will write here. 5-number I will write now, and 5-number also you have to identify which conjunction will come here. Example number 5. Two options are given. First, thou, THOUGH, and it, YET. He is very wealthy. He is very wealthy. WEALTHY. Wealthy means rich, जिसके पास बहुत मनी है. ओके, उसको हम wealthy बोलते हैं. He does not have. He does not have a generous heart. GENEROUS. Generous heart. HEART. Generous means giving, sharing. Okay. Fill in the blanks. He is very wealthy. He does not have a generous heart. Now two options are given. Two conjunctions. Thou, THOUGH, and second option is given it. So you have to identify which conjunction will come here. Type your response in the chat box. Sentence number 5 you see on the board. You can see in your worksheet also. Dhanashri Rajput, wrong answer now. He is very wealthy. He does not have a generous heart. Two options are given, thou and it. So which option will come here? I am waiting for your response. Okay, now correct answer. Then correct answer. Spelling you have to write correct. Okay. THOUGH. Okay, I will also tick in this board. THOUGH, thou. So I will circle and tick also. Okay, so you will understand. Now complete sentence I will read. Thou he is very wealthy. He does not have a generous heart. Okay, so these are the correct conjunctions. So again I will repeat all the 5 examples and you check your answers. Okay. Now first number what I have told, if. फर्स्ट नंबर सेंटेंस में कौन सा ऑप्शन करेक्ट है? इफ यू वर्क हार्ड यू विल डू वेल. सेकंड नंबर एग्जांपल, which option is correct? But. Okay, you have to note down this, right? Second number, but option is correct. Complete sentence I will read. Shyam is smart but his sister is smarter. Third number, which option is correct? While. Okay, sentence I will read. Rana played the guitar while Jyoti sang a song. Four number which option is correct? And. बोर्ड पर आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पर. ओके, आई वुड लाइक सम मिल्क एंड अ सैंडविच. एंड 5 number, just now we have studied thou, THOUGH. Thou is a correct conjunction. Thou he is very wealthy. He does not have a generous heart. Yes, these are the 5 examples. Okay, so I have given here 5 examples and one more example I will tell. 6 number, orally I will tell. See, I am disappointed. Fill in the blanks. I thought I would win the race. Okay, and 2 options are given, so and because. 2 options are given. Tell me which option will come here. I have given this example in the worksheet also. This you have to do yourself. I am disappointed. Fill in the blanks. I thought I would win the race. Which option will come here? Because. Okay, which option will come here? Because is the correct conjunction here. Now complete sentence I will read. I am disappointed because I thought I would win the race. So 6 number में because correct option. Okay, so this you have to remember, right? So we have completed your very important point that you have to remember and you have to practice for the conjunctions. Okay, now only one lesson is remaining that we will see in the next period. Now our time is over and you have to be ready for the your next period. Okay, so I will take your leave. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.